welcome back to Teaching with Tenia. I have officially moved out of my dorm, and it's actually bittersweet because I vlogged my process moving into my dorm. I spent my whole senior year in a dorm, and I also did some videos with my roommate. So I was so happy to be able to share that experience with you guys, but now the time has come. I have graduated. If you haven't checked out my move-in vlog, my graduation vlog, you need to pause this video and go ahead and check those other videos out and then come back to this one. Trust me, I'll wait. Alrighty, so I wanted to wait for you guys to come back to this video. Welcome back to this video. Now we can actually start. Now I'm going to show you guys how the process was moving out of that dorm and into my first place and some things that I got along the way. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. Alrighty, and that is a wrap over to senior year. I'm officially done. Everything is off the walls. It's crazy. I literally did my last senior year. I still have some more stuff in this room though. My last senior year in this room. Give y'all one last view. Aw, hopefully y'all can see. Definitely gonna miss this place. Bye, Peterson. Aw. On to a new chapter. Bye, Peterson. So, yep. I just want to one second. Show them this is my room and my bathroom. Y'all, a mini apartment tour. So nice. Of course, I'm gonna make it my own. All right, guys, so it has been a minute, but I made it to my apartment and it is a total tornado zone. I have stuff all over that I just need to unpack. Like I was saying, this is like a total tornado zone, but I did get some things from Target that I forgot to show you guys. But my roomie got me this. So shout out to my roomie. Hopefully you guys can see. It says home. How cute. But from Target, I also got these, my pillow shams. This is from the Casa Luna brand. And you guys will get a hint from this color to see what my theme is going to be. And then I also got my comforter. This is also the Casa Luna, and my friend Jordan was the one who told me about it. So that is that. I may try to leave some links below that was like my little Target haul. Oh, I also got a gray canopy. No, a gray shower caddy. I'll put it across the screen from Target as well, or even down in the description below. So if you guys want it, you can get it. Those are the things that I got from Target, my mini Target haul. And then I also, this one from Target is actually, I went back to Lancaster to surprise my students, and I got a little cutting board because I have my own kitchen and your girl will be doing some cooking. It's actually made from bamboo cutting board, so this will last me a long time. And then I got this refrigerator organizer as well, and an alarm clock because your girl will be teaching summer school and I need to wake up on time and I can't rely on my phone all the time. So I got this and some other things, but I'm going to show you what my room looks like and then show you how I get it together. This may be a couple of clips because I probably won't finish this today, but you guys get the gist. So we have been moving things from here, and these are like my things from my desk, from my dorm. Some of these other things are from my dorm as well, but my closet is a tornado rack. And then these are some other things from my closet, and I'm just about to empty it out and start organizing. My friends also got me a bunch of organizers because I didn't know what to ask for graduation. So I have these acrylic organizers. Hopefully you guys are getting the gist or seeing what my room is going to be like. And I got this umbrella. So right now I'm really just about to unload. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours and I have made some progress, but I'm about to call it a day for now. Go get some lunch and then maybe come back, or I may just go ahead and close out this video and then see you guys whenever everything is done and I can show you guys my apartment tour. It may take a while because I do have a lot of stuff to get rid of and go through. I also have my personal stuff plus my classroom stuff, professional stuff. It's just a lot, but go ahead and check out these other videos and I'll see you guys then.